Hi guys, welcome to Duo Touch. And today I will learn you to download any apps in the pro version with the help of two websites. Always open your browser. I always use UC browser. So the UC browser, get on a site, Google, and type Rexdel or EXDL. Okay, okay. REXDL. Okay, next search. The first one, yeah, the free download games and application direct links from APK, Android mode, BB files, everything will be there. And tap on Rexdel. Okay, it's the main page of this. Maybe this is a mobile site, so this is a mobile version of that. Okay, then everything is modded here, so you can search for PixArt, right? Okay, PICSAR PixArt. Okay, search. It's the best editing app. So PixArt full premium unlocked final. I have already downloaded this, so I don't need this. And PixArt color, this is also good, and this is also an animator used for animation. Okay, this first website, this is the first website, and you can download all the apps you need. Okay, or any apps in on you the wish on it apps on your wish you can download. Okay, next app. Okay, I will show you the next site that I experienced. The next one is Rexdel or the first one is Revdel, the next one is Revdel or EVDL. This website also provide you all the apps in a modded version. Everything will be modded. You can see many apps and games here. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, the Viva video, the best video editing app, is also available here. Okay, bye. Thank you for